Hi, it's time for your Fast Blast Friday workout, starting on your knees. Ready?
Crank it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, stand up, keep it low, jack it out. Step it out, take it down, push up and clap. Hold it there, and climb across. That's round one. Off we go. Step it up and jack it out. 2, 3, 4. Step it out. Back down. Push it up. And up. Take it down. Push it up. Hup. Go on, mountain climber. Cross it over. Get those tummies working. Get the obliques working. Keep it down low.
Completed one cycle. Congratulations, you've completed your workout. Workout Muse, world's most trusted source.
As the man said, congratulations, your workout is done.
Visit workoutmuse.com.
I'll see you next week. Well done. Bye-bye.